Okay, so I welcome you once again to Icesoft Original, and this is the ninth chapter of the practical aspect in VB.net. On today's lesson, we're going to see how we can create our own HTML editor, and I'm talking about an editor which will help us to know a code which is behind the website, right? So I believe maybe you are tired of using Sublime Text and the rest, and you want to note plus plus C plus plus note blah 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 blah, all those text editors. You are tired of it, so you want to create your own. And as a beginner, this is a very good tutorial for you. So scale it to how much size you want, and we're going to add three things. First of all, we're going to add a rich text box. So I will just add my rich text box right here, and then I will add a button, just one button, and this will be the button. Good. And then the button, I will choose an arrow like this. Good. And then I will extend the size of it to be bold, and then I choose the fore color to be white, and then I choose the back color to be black. Good. This is how I want it, right? So you can decide to extend it or anyhow you wish to do it. It depends on what you want to do. Then let's add a web browser control, right? Let's add a web browser control. So this is the web browser, so I'll just drag and drop the web browser here, and then I just extend the web browser like this, right? To make everything nice, I'll just click my form and then change the form back color to black. Good. So this is it. This is my HTML editor, and this is my viewer, which is my browser viewer, right? So this browser will view whatever code I type here. So this is the translator, or let's say the view source button, right? So let's double click on this, and for this one the code is going to be web browser 1 dot document web browser 1 dot document text equals to rich textbox 1 dot text. Simple as that. Rich textbox 1 dot text. Simple as this code, right? Good. After that, let's start it and see if we get something like first of all, let me quickly change the size of this to, let's say, 16. Okay, then let's start it. The rich text box text. Okay, good. So I will quickly say that, let's say HTML. Then I will say that HTML, and for this I can go inside here, right, and say body. I close the tag. So inside this body I have let me say header, right? Good. And then let me add one more header. Good. So for this header is going to be, let's say, Node 3 world technologies. Good. And then let me add one let's say title, and let's add another title here, and then the title is going to be maybe Node 3, and inside this body, inside the body here, I'll just say that blah 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 blah, everything just like that. And it's going to, when I click on this, you see that now is telling us what we are doing. So I can now for the header here, I can now delete everything from this, and then I say that I add a bracket, and then I say that maybe h1, and then I say slash h1. Good. And then this will be maybe welcome, right? When I translate, you see how it looks like, right? So I can now then say that slash, let's say center, then I close the center tag. Good. Then I just for the center tag, let me cut. We are not doing website development, but sorry for disturbing or wasting your time such like that. So we will just close the center tag here. Now you see that they are all centered. So you can you can do a lot of stuff from this point, and it's going to really help you a lot. Let's try one more thing, then we are done. Let's say that we can say that table border equals 1, and then we will say that style equals to, let's say, width is, let's say, 30 pixels, right? 30 pixels. And we will say that maybe I don't do web development tutorial, so let's take it like that, right? So we will say maybe name, and then we will say slash td, right? And we will just copy this and then paste it let's say 2 times, only 2 times, and then this will be name, this will be maybe date, and then this will be maybe time, something like that. Then you close a tag, right? So this is how it's going to be. You see that it's kind of it's kind of getting to understand whatever you want to do, right? Okay, good. So I hope you understand whatever I'm doing. Until we meet again on our next lesson, have a nice day, and Icesoft Original will be out. But before I will be out, I would like to close the table tag. That is the reason why it was not working. So I'll say slash table. Good. And it's gonna appear in a table form for me. Okay, let me see something here. Okay, no problem. That is what I really want to do, right? That is what I really want to do. So let me copy this same thing and then paste it here, right? And yes, let's see something here. Good. So that is it. So this name can be Isaac. The date can be maybe 01 slash maybe 01 slash 2019, and then the time can be, let's say, 12 o'clock a.m. Good. So that is it. You can work along with all those stuffs, and it's gonna work. And yes, so Charlie, until we meet again on our next lesson, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, come on, I thought I'm on YouTube. Don't forget to get the handout so that you get to know whatever you are doing. Have a nice day, and Icesoft Original is out.